Hi guys, my name is Kashish and मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. So today's video is going to be a very interesting one because I am going to do a summer haul today on my channel and I'm so excited for this video because I really like the clothes that I usually choose. They're really colorful and fun and I love to share my choices with you guys and अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगता है तो मुझे वो और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So I really love to share my outfit choices with you, and that is why I thought of coming up with a summer haul. I will be showing you everything that I bought from Savannah Urbanic. There is a huge sale that is running on their site. I cannot wait मैं आप लोग को मेरी चीज़ें दिखाऊं and you also go and rush and shop for your favorites. Let's really quickly, without any further talking, quickly get into the video. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it all in front of you guys. Let's get started with the first thing that we have. ये separately आया था. This first thing that we have right here is this beautiful long denim skirt. I am looking for a long denim skirt for a very long time because usually मुंबई में जब आप घूमते हो local trains में या फिर I personally prefer to not wear short clothes because I personally feel uncomfortable public transport में travel करने में छोटे कपड़ों में. So this is actually really good for me. Skirt वाला feel दे देता है but it is long and it is comfortable. I really like to have clothes that in which I feel comfortable and that is why I was looking for a long denim skirt for a very long time. And I have one here and इसकी shape भी बहुत अच्छा है जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से ऐसे cut है. So I really like this on the site and that is why I ordered it for myself. And the material looks really very nice. It is soft. This has around 5 buttons. Then it has this really nice cut here and it also has 2 pockets, and the best thing about this is that it is high waist. I wouldn't order this but I really wanted to try something for myself. Oh, we have 2 clothes here. So first let's unbox the basic one, which is a knit sweater. This white colored cute little knit sweater. Oh my god, let me tell you, the fabric is really so good. और मैं ये बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. The fabric is really very soft because knit is usually थोड़ा सा ऐसे चुभने वाला and थोड़ा thick. This is not thick. This is पतला. The material is really thin, comfortable, breathable and very soft. And oh my god, I can't wait to create those chic looks wearing this little cute vest, woolen vest. Oh my god, I like it so much. पूरा knitted sweater है ये with this cute semicircles all around the sleeves and the neck. It has 4 buttons and पूरे ये जो fabric है इस पे lines है, crisscross designs है. So this piece is really very cute. I love it. This is not me. I usually don't go for clothes that are cute, but I am clearly changing with my choices. My next outfit that I have is one of my favorites. And I am telling you, this outfit is something that I usually would not choose or pick, but since I have changed my body type and I have become a little more confident than I was earlier, I ordered this beautiful looking dress that has white net on it. This is the cute white colored dress. Look at this. Is this fairy like dress which has a back like this. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is the gorgeous looking dress. I mean, look at it. Look at the sleeves, you guys. Look at the dress. It is so pretty. I am absolutely in love. As soon as I saw it on the website, I was in love, and now also when I'm holding it in my hands, opening it, all I can say is it is gorgeous. Look at the shape, the cuts that are going, the design. It is like a corset dress and I have never owned one. Love the underwire that they have. It will give support, especially for people who have like heavy chest, like just like me I do. This underwire will give really good support. Let's open the next parcel, which has I think 2 pairs of clothing in it. So the first thing that we have here is this pink colored skirt. Now we all know how famous skirts are getting nowadays. In case if you don't know what a skirt is, it is basically shorts that look like skirts. That is why it is called a skirt, and I am honestly impressed by this. I think it is so smart because skirts are honestly not the most comfortable things that you can wear, and shorts really are comfortable, but I don't like the crotch situation that takes place when you wear shorts. So this is the perfect thing for me because आप shorts पहन सकते हो which are comfortable but crotch situation भी नहीं होगा and it will look like a skirt. जैसे कि आप इसको देख सकते हो, you can't tell that this is a skirt, right? But अगर आप देखोगे underneath this there are like two different sections as you can see. So I'm very excited for this one, especially I love the button situation happening and the shape of the skirt as well. पीछे से भी काफी ज़्यादा cute है, shorts जैसे ये पीछे से honestly. Next up we have this very cute red color top which looks like this. It has a net. I don't own a lot of red clothes and that is the reason this time I decided to shop on some red pieces, and this being one because I can wear it on a skirt, I can wear it on a jeans, I can put and layer it with something, I can wear like a jacket or something, and I really like this piece. So I thought why not just try because मुझे अच्छा लगा, and this is not something that I would usually wear, but it looked really nice and comfortable, and I am shifting towards clothes that are more comfortable right now, and I think this fabric and this material and this pattern specifically, like it is not body fitting, this will be really comfortable for me, so I'm very excited to try it. So since we are talking about red clothes, I thought of presenting to you my second piece of clothing that is red in color and also my favorite. One of my favorite, I can't say this is my favorite, is this beautiful red color long maxi dress which has sleeves that can be tied, and I love sleeves like this because the bows here look really cute. And this is nothing but a basic red colored maxi dress. As you can see, it goes on and on and on in the same way, and it is the same front and back. I don't know why, but recently I have been obsessed with maxi dresses. A lot of times you will see me wearing long dresses because that is something that I feel really comfortable in, and because the summer is so bad, I really feel good wearing dresses in this temperature, and that is the reason I ordered this pretty red color maxi dress. I really love this dress. I feel like wearing it tonight. So yeah, now sadly we have the last piece of clothing that I will show you, but I have saved the best for the last one, and this is really something that I don't own. I don't have a pair of this. It is obviously pink in color, and I am very excited to style this. So it is a cord set. The bottoms are like this. It looks like this. They are shorts, pink colored shorts, which I think might be a little big for my size, but no worries, we will do something about it. And you're not ready to see the top. This is the top. It is a cute vest. It is a sleeveless vest with shorts. I hope that you can understand what this is going to look like. I hope you can imagine, because very quickly I will be showing you how this looks. But just imagining this, I think I'm very excited because I think this will look really very pretty. And again, this is for my summer OOTD. I might or might not go for a summer vacation, and if I end up going on one, I definitely want this in my bags because this is such a cute cord set, a vest with a short. Oh my god, I've never had something like this. I've never tried something like this, and I am in my young era where I am going to try anything and everything that I love to. And I have been a person who has been wearing only blacks and whites and dark colors because I did not like my body type, or I did not feel very confident in it. I lacked self-love, and that is what we are all going to do. We should do and wear everything that we love, irrespective of how it will look. And because at least guilt nahi rahega that I did not try. I have a guilt for a lot of things in the past जिसका fashion अब नहीं रहा कि मैंने कभी try नहीं किया. So I don't want to have that anymore in my life, and that is why I have decided that I will wear anything and everything that I feel is pretty, and you should do that too. Now now let's move on to the jewelry haul. I have ordered not a lot, very little jewelry, but they are really dainty and cute ones. So let's quickly begin. So I have ordered this. I hope you can imagine कैसे ऊपर जाएगा. So I will quickly wear it and show it to you guys. I think this is a press on that you can press right here, and then this is something. This is how the earring is. I can put it and push it under thoda sa so that it looks thoda different, but this is how it looks, and I have been a fan of people wearing such earrings. I have one more pair that I can attach here, and I think it makes my ear look really cool. I have had a dream of making my ear look like this, but then I've had two very difficult and unsuccessful piercings that ended up being really severe. So I did not try on having more piercings because it has become my nightmare. But we can always do press ons, and that is what I did, and I really like how my ear looks. What do you guys think? So let's keep these like this and continue with the video. The next thing that we have is a basic white pearl chain, and this because I don't own a pearl chain. Like, I don't own a basic white colored plain pearl chain. I have pearl chains that have something or the else in it, but I did not have like one basic one. My mom does, and I always borrow it from her, but I wanted one for myself, so I thought let's just take one. And I also think that this would go really well with all of the outfits that I have ordered. So yeah, this is the second piece of jewelry that I picked. This is the third and the last jewelry that I have picked, and again it has pearls in it, but it is a cute one, party wear sort of a earring, and they are these long pearl earrings. I will wear this again and show it to you guys. I am going to look like a joker in my video. This is how it looks. This is the earring look. And yeah, these are the three pieces of jewelry that I ordered, and I am in love. I'm not disappointed with either of them. I love all three of them and can't wait to style literally all of them because they all look so cool. So yeah, these are the jewelry pieces that I ordered from Savannah by Urbanic. You can use this code right here on the screen to get special discount. Not forget to go to Savannah by Urbanic and check their collection. It is really cute, affordable and pretty, and it has really the latest styles that you might want. And I am a person who is not at all up to date with the current fashion trends, but Savannah, when you go to their site, you will automatically know what are the current trends that are going on because they have the latest and trending collection, and it is so cute. I honestly felt like getting everything that they have. I got a lot of them and I love all of them. Like, I cannot rate anyone as the least or the best. They are all my favorites because they are all so pretty and beautiful. Even the jewelry and accessories that they have are super duper cute. That was all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को आज तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया but you do like my content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.